Somebody has the hiccups. It's really funny. And there sums up the dogs for this couple of days. And back to the hiccups. She's wide awake. Hanging out. Hopefully this lasts a while.